Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Salon Care Mr. Brett mannequin head. If you would like to hear my thoughts on it, then please keep watching. The sale price of this mannequin head is $45.99. Because I have a cosmetology license, I'm able to get it for a discounted price of $40.47. I am a Sally Beauty Card member, and with my purchases, I was able to get a $5 off coupon. And with my coupon, I paid $38.82 for my total price. At first glance, Mr. Brett's face looks like it is modeled after an actual person. I've even noticed that even his lips are textured. If you ever saw the movie Shrek, he kind of looks like Prince Charming, in my opinion. I shampooed his hair and you can see that he has a wavy hair texture. I would like to also mention that his hair was easy to shampoo and condition, and it didn't lock and tangle like my previous mannequin head, Liam. Right now I'm just sectioning his hair because I'm going to give him a nice haircut to trim off those split ends. Right here I'm just establishing his perimeter. I'm just cutting the hair all around the head. I'm now going to concentrate on the bang area and separate the hair using the temples as a guideline. I'm now going to take a small section in the center of his bangs so that I can cut on either side so it'll be nice and even. Here I'm just going to layer the bangs. After layering the bangs, I'm going to continue to the top and bring all of the hair straight up and cut it evenly across. I'm now going to comb the hair out and cut off the excess, creating a box shape haircut, and then going to go back in and round the corners. I'm also going to separate the bangs away from the haircut because I don't want to cut them any shorter than they need to be. This type of haircut normally causes a hole near the ear, so what I'm going to do is over direct the hair just behind the ear in order to minimize the hole. You can't completely get rid of it, but you can minimize it. Hey, are you still there? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Right here I'm going to put some face framing layers using the very end of Mr. Brett's bangs as a guideline. I'm now going to try to minimize the hole I told you about earlier by point cutting Mr. Brett's hair and angling it towards the front. And now you can see the difference between the two sides. Now that I've cut the other side, I'm going to measure and make sure everything is balanced on either side. I'm now going to blow dry Mr. Brett's hair. Here are the results of Mr. Brett's blowout, and he took heat very well. I'm now going to take this opportunity to thin his ends out. And now I'm going to take the opportunity to flat iron his hair, and it took the heat very well. And here are the results of the flat iron. And now for my personal opinion. Mr. Brett's hair was easy to wash, unlike Liam, and it didn't tangle or knot at all. His hair is wavy, which has body and texture, making the hair appear fuller. I believe Salon Care took a lot of effort into making him look realistic. His face looks like it was modeled after an actual person, and even his lips were textured. His hair is already light, and now I can practice on adding depth. I was able to get him for a great price. On top of the professional discount that I already get, I was able to use a $5 discount, bringing his total to $38.82. And with that price, I'm able to purchase many more Mr. Brett's. As you have seen, I was able to blow dry and flat iron Mr. Brett's hair, and it took heat very well. And now on to the dislikes. His hair was less than 10 inches. His ends were dry, thin, and stringy. He had colored strands throughout his entire head. None of these things would turn me off from making this purchase because it's common in all mannequins. So for my initial review, I think he would be a great purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.